Well, hello everybody. My name is Daniel Patty. I'm in my little small, quick flip, small projects kind of shop. On my intro video, I mentioned that I have this 2009 Impala that needs a few minor repairs, cleaning up, detailing, that kind of thing. And one of the things I did mention is the headlights were all foggy looking, and and I know most of you probably heard about polishing these plastic lenses and get them back to pretty close to new looking. Well, I thought I was going to do that until I actually took them off, and I'll show you what I found. As you can see, it's it doesn't look bad or anything. It's just needs to be polished up, and it probably be good for another couple years or what have you. Well, when I took it off, I found all of this. Uh, those big open holes you see there, like right here and then right here, well, those are supposed to have a seal cover over them. The wires have been pulled out. I don't know what these people were thinking. I don't know if they had a little minor accident or what. And over in West Texas, where this car come from, it's pretty common to be on some pretty rough roads out in the oil fields and what have you. So I'm kind of guessing maybe that's what the deal was, is, over the course of operating and then down these old dirt roads and what have you, that it kind of just shook all this apart, and this is somebody's attempt at just kind of sort of fixing it. Anyway, well, it pretty much there's no real point in fixing this one other than maybe for demonstration purposes down the road. I'm going to end up having to replace the headlights, so they'll look brand new for a reason. Anyway, we've got plenty of other stuff to work on. We've got the fender, which I can show it now. Yeah, I bought another fender. Even if it did try to do a paintless dent repair, it needs to be painted if it does get repaired, so it was kind of pointless. It was easy to find a white fender, which is part of the reason why I bought the car. It's just so many cars are made in white, you can usually find replacement body panels for it. The bumper itself, bumper cover I should say, actually looks pretty decent, but the header panel up here in the front is broken out where the headlights would have mounted right here. That's just gone. I mean, those little pieces aren't even there anymore. And there's more stuff broken on this header panel. You can just kind of shake it apart. Like I said, it's kind of more evidence that it was living on a back going down these old dirt roads and such. Anyway, just a little quick update. I still don't have the stands and what have you for mounting, so probably not going to see taking off this fender and the hood, and I don't know, maybe by some chance the tripod mount will show up in time to take the header off, but I kind of doubt it. I might sure put it back together. It's really nothing to it. It's kind of boring stuff, to be honest, but I figured I'd give you an update. Y'all have a great day.